Ever wondered how to tap into the power of the internet to earn a living? Welcome to today's tutorial about digital marketing. This is the art and science of promoting products or services using digital technologies, primarily the internet. In today's digital age, understanding and implementing digital marketing strategies is crucial for success. It allows us to reach a global audience, engage with customers in new ways, and compete in an increasingly digital world. Digital marketing is a vast field with a plethora of opportunities waiting to be explored. The tactics of digital marketing can be diverse and many. Let's start with two of the most crucial ones: SEO and social media marketing. First up is search engine optimization, often shortened to SEO. In layman's terms, SEO is the art of making your website or online content more attractive to search engines. The better you are at this, the higher your site will appear in search engine results. This is important because, let's face it, how often do you look at the second page of Google? By optimizing your site for SEO, you're increasing your chances of being seen by potential customers. Now let's move on to social media marketing. In this digital age, social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and even TikTok hold immense power. Leveraging these platforms to engage with your audience can be a game changer for your online business. Not only can you use these platforms to share your products or services, but you can also use them to build a community around your brand. By producing engaging content and interacting with your followers, you can build brand loyalty and trust. This in turn can lead to conversions and sales. Both SEO and social media marketing require time, patience, and a deep understanding of your audience. However, the payoff can be substantial, with increased visibility, a larger audience, and ultimately, more online earnings. SEO and social media marketing are key to reaching your target audience and maximizing your online earnings. Now that we've covered SEO and social media marketing, let's delve into email marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising. Email marketing is a powerful tool that can help you build strong relationships with your audience. By crafting targeted, personalized email campaigns, you can keep your customers informed about new products, services, or updates. It's an excellent way to encourage them to take action, whether it's making a purchase, signing up for a webinar, or downloading a resource. With email marketing, you're directly communicating with people who have shown interest in your brand, making it a highly effective tactic for driving conversions and boosting online earnings. Next up, we have content marketing. This involves creating and sharing high-quality, valuable content that provides solutions to your audience's problems. This can range from blog posts and videos to infographics and ebooks. The goal is to educate, entertain, and engage your audience, ultimately driving them to your product or service. High-quality content is also beneficial for SEO, as it can improve your website's ranking on search engine results pages. Finally, let's talk about paid advertising. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow you to reach a broader audience by paying for ad space. These platforms enable you to target specific demographics, improving the likelihood of reaching people interested in your offerings. While it requires an upfront investment, paid advertising can yield significant returns in terms of website traffic and conversions. Email marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising can significantly boost your online earnings when used effectively. Mastering these digital marketing tactics can unlock new opportunities for online earning. Each strategy, be it search engine optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, or paid advertising, has the potential to significantly enhance your online presence and ultimately, your earnings. The world of digital marketing is dynamic. It's a landscape that's constantly evolving with new trends and technologies. The tactics we discuss today are not set in stone. They grow, they adapt, they change, and so should you. Staying updated with the latest trends and practices in the digital sphere is not just beneficial, it's essential. It's the key to staying competitive and making the most of the opportunities that come your way. Remember, digital marketing is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about building relationships, engaging with your audience, and providing value. It's about understanding the needs and wants of your audience and delivering solutions that not only meet, but exceed their expectations. So, keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep pushing the boundaries of what you can achieve with digital marketing. And let's not forget, it's okay to make mistakes. They're not setbacks, they're opportunities to learn and grow. For more tutorials and insights, subscribe to the channel. Your journey to mastering the art of online earning has just begun. Until next time, this is your host signing off. Happy digital marketing and online earning.